How are you, my dear students? Today I am so happy because I am going to start our new chapter. Here's the new chapter is the chapter 2 and this headlines is the cellular organization of plants and animals. Here's I draw the plants in plant cell and this structure is the plant cell structure. My dear students, our new chapter is the chapter 2. Please everyone open the books. In the first structure, first line, in natural environment, one can observe many similarities and dissimilarities amongst various plants and animals, irrespective of their size, structure, and activities. The main similarity is that the bodies of the organisms are composed of cells. For last few centuries, scientists made many research works on structure, shape, nature, and other areas of organization. Structure of all cells of one single organism is not similar, rather different. We shall discuss cell structure, but all organelles described in the following pages are not found in a single cell. So, one cell is reconstructed with all the organelles in it, which are found in various cells. The idea scientists got about a cell from compound light microscope was confirmed and elaborated when electron microscope was invented. In this context discussion of on a typical cell in the being initiated. My dear students, I just introduced about this chapter. Now we are going to our new topics. Our new topics is the description of plant cell. Please everyone see the boards. Here I just draw the plant cell and their organelles. Here's the organelles. There are basically 4 types of organelles. First is the cell wall. Second is the protoplasm. First structure is the cell wall in the plant cells. Second is the protoplasm. Third is the cytoplasm and the fourth is the cell vacuole. In the cytoplasm, here there are also the another organelles. First organelles is the plastid, second is the mitochondria and third is the Golgi body, fourth is the endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosome, lysosome and the centriole. Here first structure is the plastid. Here I just draw this structure is the plastid. Second is the mitochondria. My dear students, I just draw this structure is the mitochondria. Third structure is the Golgi body. I just draw this structure is the Golgi body. Fourth is the endoplasmic reticulum. This structure is the endoplasmic reticulum. And the next structure is the ribosome. This structure is the ribosome. And the next structure is lysosome. This structure is the lysosome. And last structure is the centriole. I just draw this structure is the rod-shaped structure. The another name is the centriole. Here's this structure. All these structures are the plant cells. My dear students, please everyone see the boards. And also please everyone open the books and page number 13. Here's the description of a plant cell. Body of all organisms is composed of one or more cells. A typical plant cell comprises of 2 parts. One is the cell wall and another is the protoplasm. First structure is the cell wall. This structure, again I just show this structure, basically the outer layer. In the plant cell is the outer layer, the another name is the cell wall. And the cell wall. In plant cell there is a hard and thick non-living wall which is called cell wall. It is composed of cellulose. Please everyone underline this. The lines basically cellulose. Animal cells do not have this wall. It is covered with a thin membrane called plasma membrane. Here's the difference between the animal cells and the plant cells. In the plant cells, they have also the cell wall, and the animal cells, they have also the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is the another shape, is the thin and the very thin structure. The main function of cell wall is to protect the living parts of the cell and delimiting the boundary of the cell. Very important topics and the very important structure for the plant cell. In the plant cell, again I repeat, It's also the hard and the thick and also the non-living wall. Second structure is the protoplasm. I just draw again the shape. Basically, this structure is the cell wall and this structure is the protoplasm. The all living things and also the all cell organelles are stayed. This is the protoplasm. Please everyone, again, what is the protoplasm? Protoplasm is semi-solid, jelly-like sticky and granular living substance. Cells of life are emerged due to various reactions within the protoplasm. It is composed of various organic and inorganic substances. The water constitutes the 67 to 90% of the protoplasm. Protoplasm contains the cytoplasm and nucleus, which is the two main parts of the cell. And the next structure is the cytoplasm. Here's the cytoplasm. We have also the two differences between the protoplasm and cytoplasm. What is the protoplasm? Protoplasm is the main structure of the cell. This structure is the protoplasm and they have also the nucleus. Without the nucleus, then the another name is the cytoplasm. Again, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the another shape of the protoplasm. Jelly-like substances outside the nucleus is named as cytoplasm. Living structures inside cytoplasm that take part in various physiological activities of the cell are called cytoplasmic organelles. In a typical cell, normally the following organelles are found. Again, I also repeat. First structure, again the plastic, very important cell organelles. Basically, they have also the photosynthesis structure. Second is the mitochondria, the industry of the energy. Basically, another name is the mitochondria is the cell energy. Third is the Golgi body, very important organelles in the plant cells. The endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. Ribosome basically industry of the protein. Here's the ribosome. They have also the compost of the protein. And the another structure is the lysosome. Basically lysosome is the suicidal bag. They can also the any outer disease is also that they can also eat. The another name is the suicidal bag and the last structure is the centriole. They can help the cell division. My dear students, I just explained today the plant cells and the plant cells organelles. Here's the last structure is the cell vacuole. I just draw this the cell vacuole. Basically, this is the thick structure is the name is the cell vacuole. Here's the cell vacuole. Cellular living organelles and non-living substances are present in the cytoplasm. In plant cells, non-living substances include various reserved foods, excreted and secreted substances. In cytoplasm, there are large and the small vacuoles full of liquid substances. The another name is the cell sac. These are called cells vacuoles. Usually, animal cells do not have cell vacuoles, but in certain cells, when vacuoles are present, they are very small in size. Another, I can also the differences between the cell walls and the without cell vacuoles. Here's the animal cells, they have no any cell vacuoles, and the plant cells, they have also the much bigger cell vacuoles. In plant cells, large numbers of vacuoles are present and their sizes are comparatively large. The different organic acids and the salts, carbohydrates, proteins, etc. are present in soluble form in the vacuoles and make up cell shape. The make-up cell shape, they can also, the main structure is the first structure is the organic acids. Second is the salts, third is the carbohydrates and the proteins, etc. Basically, they are the present in soluble form in the vacuoles and make the cell shape. My dear students, today I just only introduce about the cells and the cell organelles and the main structure is the plant cells. Today I just give you the homework. Please everyone draw the plant cells and the animal cells. Here's the plant cells and the animal cells. We can also the difference between the plant cells and the animal cells. Here the plant cells. I can also difference first structure is the cell wall. In the plant cells they have also the thick, strong and the heart-shaped cell wall, and basically they are also formed in the cellulose. But in the animal cells they have no any the cell wall. Basically they have also the plasma membrane and they are also the so thin shape. In the plastid, the animal cells they have no any plastids and they can also the formation of the photosynthesis. But in the plant cells they have also the plastid and their leaf also the green shaped structure. So in the plastids we also know the kitchen cells or the kitchen organelles of the cells. Third structure is the mitochondria. Yes, they have also the between the plant cells and animal cells. They have also the mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome, and centrioles. Dear students, today that's all. Thank you.